1.
Hello, Cardinals. We are starting our weather and climate systems unit, and we are doing lesson 1 getting started today. We have 4 pages to set up in your notebook. Safety expectations go on page 0, table of contents on page 1, lesson 1 objectives on page 2, and on page 3, we'll be starting our unit with getting started. And our focus questions today is, what do you know about weather and climate? The first part of the getting started is reading the introduction. Chances are your teacher will read this out loud to you. If you're absent, you should read it to yourself. But just basically, it's an overview over what we're going to be discussing over the next 2.5 months with the unit. And then our objectives for lesson 1 are the first 4 objectives. We asking questions, developing a model, using models to predict, and then predicting and recording using evidence. So for getting started, number 1, it's a little bit of a discussion and asking questions related to your to weather and climate, and you'll be sharing your ideas about climate change. And we're going to be making some predictions in class today. And as always, record your responses neatly and accurately and follow your teacher's instructions. Number 2, we're going to have a little discussion in class about naturally occurring events in Earth's atmosphere. We'll be talking about those in groups and recording your ideas in your notebook. And for the last part of getting started, we'll be visiting the National Weather Service, www.weather.gov, to look at the radar maps of the United States. And you have 3 questions to answer. Question A is, what do the animated colors on the radar map usually indicate? We're going to be discussing that as a class. And then looking at the national radar map, what weather will your city likely encounter today, tomorrow, 5 days from now? So kind of looking at the weather forecasts on the website. And then finally, we're entering our zip code into the enter location field in the website. And we'll be looking at the prediction for the next 5 days. And, why do we think it's going to be this weather? And we'll be discussing that with our group. So the website looks like this right here. So this is the National Weather Service website, www.weather.gov. And you'll be clicking around. This is where you'd enter the location search. So Sun Prairie is 53590. And that's what you would search as part of your assignment today. And this is what it looks like after you search it. So you'll be looking at this, looking at the highs and the lows and the weather forecast and the snow totals. So finally, the green slide, the to-do list for today is do lesson 1 getting started. I already went through what 1 through 3 is, but you can see it in front of you. And then when you get time at the end of class, you're going to prep for tomorrow. We'll be doing both investigation 1.2 and 1.3 tomorrow. You should read both of those so you're prepared. Have a great day, Cardinals.